Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make a long link shorter. So basically going to use a URL shortener. And so in this case, we're actually going to use TinyURL. Now there are actually some other URL shorteners, but most of them now, we have to pay for them, for example bit.ly, where you can only do 10 URLs and then you have to pay for it. But fortunately, there's still shorteners out there that do it for free. Like, for example, TinyURL, so that's what I'm going to type here. There we go. Just want to make sure you go to the first one right here, which is going to be tinyurl.com. So you can see here, we need a link, so I have my own YouTube channel. So I'm just simply going to go here and take this link right here. Just do Ctrl+C, so copy, and just going to do Ctrl+V, so I'm going to paste it right here. Make sure you click Verify Your Human right here, and then you can actually do Shorten URL. And so up here, you can see the URL that I put in. And here you can see the TinyURL. So the one we're actually going to use right now. And as you can see right here, if I Ctrl+C this and I just paste it right here. As you can see, in fact, brings me to my YouTube channel. You could have also just clicked Shorten Another here, and you'll just be able to shorten another URL. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.